Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and smash the like button if you feel so inclined. I will be tying a Duracell fly. The hook I'm using is an FW 555 size 14 from Irex. The bead is a 1/8 slotted bead in tungsten. Secure in place 3 to 4 barbs from the CDL or Coq de Leon feather. Brassy ultra wire, snugging it up inside the bead to help conceal it, ending up back at the bend of the hook. Create a dubbing noodle using UV brown ice dub from Hairline. This pattern was developed by Scottish fly designer and angler Craig McDonald. It emerged from his desire to create a fly that could effectively mimic a wide range of aquatic insects. Advance your dubbing noodle to just behind the bead. Now counterwrap your wire to just behind the bead, making 3 wraps, possibly 4. Secure the wire in place and remove the excess using a helicopter or a pair of scissors. Be sure to use your bad scissors. Now take a natural done CDC feather and secure it in place just behind the bead. You can put this in a dubbing loop or use a pair of hackle pliers to create a sparse collar. Secure it in place and cut the excess. The Duracell is favored for its adaptability and effectiveness, making it a must-have in many anglers' fly boxes. It can be fished as a nymph or a streamer. Anglers typically use a slow retrieve or let it drift naturally with the current, which effectively imitates the movement of insects in the water. To build on the thorax, we'll create a dubbing noodle between the bead and the collar. Whip finish and remove the bobbin. There's your Duracell. Thank you for watching.